Have you ever stopped to consider that privacy's most helpful sidekick is auditability? If you can have all the benefits of confidential data and the ability to verify and manage that data, that is unstoppable finance. The features on Shade Protocol have just leveled up again by providing a transaction history tool. So let's take it for a spin and you can see the power of full auditability coupled with private DeFi. Step one, first we're gonna click into utilities and then select transaction history from the top options here. Step two, once we're in there, we have the ability to select filter options for the data we want to check out. We can filter by transaction type, including swap, LP, claim, contract execution. We can also filter by token type. And so finally, once we have these filters set, we're on to step three. Just click to export all of that data to a .csv file and that will download for you. I'll keep this download for my eyes only, but once you have your own data, you can do your own taxes or provide this to an accountant or a third party who's helping you. The truth is, whether you're a whale, managing a fund, or a retail user, everyone benefits from this kind of tooling. In fact, many won't even consider bringing their liquidity onto the board without features like this in place. This feature is just another box checked when it comes to being the world's best private DeFi experience. Because when you take the benefits of privacy with the comfort of full auditability, that is unstoppable finance.